Alright, so we're going to be doing play piano from CodeChef. So its difficulty is 980, so it's a basically beginner problem. And, let's just double check, okay, yep. And so here we have two sisters, A and B, who play the piano every day. During the day, they can play it in any order, but then A might play first, and then B, and then could be B first and A, but then each one of them plays the piano exactly once per day. They maintain a common log, which they write their name whenever they play. You're given an entry into the log, so you're not sure it has been tampered with or not. Okay, so what it means is that, so let's say a day is represented by two letters, because that indicates that one played first and the other one played second. So for the first case, A might play first, then B. That would be represented by AB. Then it could be B plays first, and then A plays next. However, they only play the piano exactly once per day. Meaning that even if, let's say, even if the log says that it's A, let's say B, A, this is not tampered with because this is day one. You see A and B both appear exactly once. And here is day two. A and B appear exactly once. So, how I want to solve this? Okay, let's go. So, first of all, I prefer to use the same letters as it states in the problem. So it says capital T stands for test cases, so we'll use that. That way it's easier for you to keep track of what is what. Next, let's see, we're gonna use little. The issue with using little t is that we'll just call it test case. 0 test case is less than t and test case plus plus. So that gets us every other test case. Now, okay, because we had to use next line, we had to create a. But okay, I would explain to you guys why we use this next line. Okay, yeah, I'll explain it. So what's happening here is the reason why I put this next line is when I have this next int, it's going to read this integer. But if I use next line here, just to take in the next input, so let's just say string s equals to sc.next line. The issue with that is that you're gonna, without this, it's gonna read the rest of this line, which is just nothing. So you need this next line just so you can go to this line, so, which pushes it so that when this reads, it's gonna read this line, not the rest of this line, which would have been nothing. So with that out of the way, so we see that s is even. So that's good. So that way we can just do for int I equals 0, I is less than s dot length. S plus equals 2 because we want to get the substring of every two letters, and we can do that by getting, so let's say string sub is equal to s dot substring. String is going to be 0 to, well, I to I plus 2. That gets us every set of 2. And then want to check if sub dot char at 0 is not equal sub dot char at, okay, the reason why, well, this should be 0 1. Okay, the reason why that this works is because you think about it, in order for each of them to only appear once, these two cannot be the same. If these were the same, like let's say the log was BB AB, if two were the same, if the two letters are the same, that means the same person played twice in a day. So with that, we'll just say system.out.println. No? Well, has it been, well, okay, yes. Means it's a valid log. So yes indicates that it has not been tampered with. And then no indicates that it is tampered with. So then we put else. and then we're gonna print out no. So let's run this. Oh, okay, wait. GitHub. Okay, run it. Interesting. So then, this was. Oh wait. Okay, so let's try this again. So we're looking through every test case. Okay. Print yes. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna. Okay, I realized this one slight issue. Let me fix it. Okay. So. Okay, so because we're doing it for each test case, which is this line, we have to create a boolean. Okay, it's lagging. Let's call it flag. It's lagging. Well, that's kind of bad. Sorry, it's gonna take a bit. Flag is equal to. Okay, it's lagging. False. Okay, let's say true. True. This indicates that it has not run into any errors. However, if it was, so like I said earlier, if it's equal to, if the two characters are equal to each other, then they appear twice in the same day, and so it would be no. But we're setting flag to false now, just to indicate that no has already been printed, and then we check if flag is true. So just flag, because if flag was true, this would already execute, and then we're gonna print out. Okay, this is super annoying. Sorry about the lag. Yes. Okay. Now would this work? Interesting. Oh, wait a second. Okay, that's why. Okay, sorry about that. Some debugging is always good just to learn how to debug. So I'm just showing you the process because I'm going into this kind of blind. So what? Why did that happen? Oh, because we need a break. We don't want to continue this loop if we see this. So yeah, you want to. Yeah, the reason that you want to break is that way. If you already see it once, like right here, so it would have read this and then this. If you already see it once, you don't want to read it again because you already know it's no. But if you didn't break, it would have also read this and also print out no again. So you want to break. So let's submit it and hope let's get an AC. Yep, correct answer. So as you see, that's our solution. Now I would let you guys decide if you like this style of video where I run it through kind of blind, so basically solving it as I make the video, or make the solution before. Because I'm just curious if you guys rather see like the process of solving it, like my thinking, or like just being given an answer. So yeah, that's it for this one. I'll do the next one